Model 2016 Vauxhall Vivaro 2901, 6 cdti BT, 120, factory-fitted cab starts drives engine is knocking. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 106,121. MOT, the 28th of June 2025. Engine, 1598 cc 1.6120 PS BITURBO S, SE5. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs with a knock. Bottom end bearings are knocking. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 0 former keepers, part service history, parking sensors, cruise control, electric windows, 2 keys, aircon. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.